Let us see the lovely rose, red, pink, white, yellow rose. Soft are the petals of the rose. Let us smell the lovely rose. Let us see the daffodils, white and yellow daffodils, trumpet-shaped daffodils, happy, cheerful daffodils. Let us see the tulips bloom, red, yellow, brown and white, bell-shaped like a bulb in the room. See the tulip shining bright. Let us see some daisies bright, yellow disc and the petals white. Bees on the daisies are a sight. Let us see some daisies bright. Let us smell the jasmine flower, white and fragrant jasmine flower, delicate, dainty jasmine flower. Let us smell the jasmine flower.